let's discuss about today multiple inheritance. So we have discussed about inheritance and multi-level inheritance. So when it comes to multiple inheritance, it is quite different actually. So I hope you have done the task which I have given to you. Everybody, multiple inheritance. Okay. So what do you mean by multiple inheritance here? It's deriving the methods or properties from more than one base class. So whatever you take, any methods or properties or anything which is taking from base class, or you can call it as super class. So till now what we happen here, we are taking multi-level inheritance is taking from the derived class. Deriving properties and methods from another derived class is called multi-level inheritance. Multiple inheritance is nothing but deriving all the properties or what are the properties and methods from another base class is called multiple inheritance. So simple, you can see. So I have multiple base classes. Let's say base class 1, let's say base class 2, let's say base class 3 and 4 and so on. So here you can represent this is class A and this is class B and this is class C. So I have three classes are base classes, you can say. Inside I have multiple methods will be there. So class A, class B, class C, a number of methods will be there, not only two, you can mention anything. So here I have method M1, okay, you can say M1 method, M2 method will be there, and class B will have M3 method, you can give any name, not a problem, and this is like M4 method, and class C has again M6 and M7, okay, M5, sorry, okay, 5 and 6, so M5 and M6. So you can understand, and this is a base class, okay, you can call it as this is a base class or super class, okay, you can say base class B1, anything is not a problem, base class B2, okay, we have multiple base classes in multi-level inheritance, and you can say base class B3. Now what happened here, deriving methods or properties from another derived class. So I am taking required methods, depends on requirement, you can take the methods, okay, take one method or two methods or three methods, depends on, okay. So what will happen here, I am taking method M2, okay, from class A, method M3 class B, and M6 from class C. So which means we are taking from M2 and taking from class A M2 method, class B M3 method, and class C M6 method. Now all are base classes. So we are taking all are base classes. In multiple inheritance, all classes are independent. So this class A will not depend on class B will not depend on class C. So it's our independent classes, which means base classes itself, it's a independent classes. So that is how we need to understand about multiple inheritance. Okay. So when you say multiple inheritance, the accessing mechanism will be indifferent. Let's say here all classes are base classes, right? We are taking from, let's say, class A, then statement, okay, then again class B, and again you can state, and we have, so, class C, then you can see, and what I am doing here, again you take class D, okay, and class E, then accessing all thing like D, C, B, A. So here you understand multiple inheritance. They are taking from every individual base class. That is called multiple inheritance. When you go there, multiple inheritance, then we should go and take the authority like from E class. Okay, so you can take multiple class A, B, C, D, n number of base classes, but we must use here. Okay, so let's see how we can understand. Okay, now, so now I am taking here class computer, okay, and you can take any method like mouse, and you can see here print, then clicking the channels or buttons, whatever, okay, just for message. Now we have another method, that is printer. So we have another approach also, but here print off, you can say printing the pages, and def, then, okay, so you can take one more class, like any methods you can take, then class television, so you can take def. In television you can take remote, only invoking different guys, okay, so print off, then changing the channels, and here def, one more you can take it here, remote, or you can say screen, anything you want, let's say print off, display images. Now we have class tab is there. Now here I am invoking base class television and base class computer. So two I am invoking directly here. So which means you can say tab, you can say here mm, digipen, something you can print off, use digipen to click. So like this. Now what happened here? Now this is a base class computer. This is television class. We have invoked two base classes. So whatever we are doing, we are taking from the base class or super class. So here owner I am taking here an instance creation. So how we can do instance creation here? So directly we can take it here equal to tab of, okay, then now after that owner. So here this is instance creation for that. Till now, is that okay? Now what I am trying to, we are accessing the methods. So how we will do? Owner, then which method you are taking? That method which is I am taking from mouse. Mouse is coming from, that is computer base class, and again owner, that is printer, again owner I am taking here remote, and again I am taking here screen, and owner, and that is digipen. So when I access here, what will happen? Let's see. Computer mouse takes 0 position argument, but we have given 1. Where is that actually? So what we need to give here, we need to give every method as self, so that you don't forget for that when you don't have any parameters. So now let's see, now execute it. So now understand here, tz pen is also we need self, okay, otherwise it will throw some parameter issues. Okay, now see here, clicking the buttons, printing the pages. Only tab is the main derived class taking from two base classes, that is television and computer. If you want, you can write it here, computer base class. You can also computer base class, and here television base class, television base class, and here which is tab derived class. So now you can understand carefully. Okay, only tab derived class is accessing all the methods from different base classes. So what do you understand here? Deriving methods from more than one base class is called multiple inheritance. Okay, are you clear about multiple inheritance here? So what is the difference between multi-level, deriving from deriving, and when you go for here, multiple inheritance is taking from main base classes. That is only the difference. Hope you are clear, everybody in the chat box. All of you. So the people who have not joined from, so I think HR, you can just take care of them, because these are really powerful when you want to build their ecosystem in Python, and really these are very important. The most typical part is OOPS concept. When you don't have OOPS concept, if you are a programmer, means nobody can believe. So at least these classes should be very, very careful, because lengthy of programs will begin from these OOPS concepts only. So try to capture them who are not joined, and you can just speak them and connect how and what's their problem and all. Okay, because end of the day, so all people are now getting, at least they are trying to learn and trying to focus, even though it is difficult. But when people are not joined, and after sometimes, sir, I don't understand, I'm not able to get it, these type of children's questions we don't accept here. As we discuss about Jira Techno, very, very clear picture about the process. First of all, you have to land your job, or your secure, you want to secure your job. You want to go for high positions. Only one is a key factor, that is the subject. What you are expecting when you don't have subject? You are expecting good job, salary, good package, luxury life, car. You want to clear your debits or credits. Hmm? So you want to get good name, fame, name, everything you want, status you want, but you don't want subject. Without subject, nothing will come. Your name, money, fame, status, nothing will come. Try to understand. Okay, this is a core point. It's not only from Jira Techno. There are so many institutes are providing good content, because first priority is the student subject. Second priority will be the later things. Some people will come and join, some people will not follow regularity. We have complete tracking, whoever is joining, whoever is not joined, how much time they are listening the class, whether they are submitting the task or not. We have tracker everything. So don't lose your good life and good preparation. Okay, so go ahead, no problem. That is only for the people who are not consistent. The people who are consistent, you ignore this message what we discuss about it. Okay, so coming to next concept, that is polymorphism. Okay, so when I say polymorphism here, very simple concept and straightforward concept. Okay, so we can use same methods for different classes. Okay, we can use same methods or forms for different classes. Some people will call it as same forms, same methods, whatever it is. Same method but different class. In polymorphism, when we declare the variables or parameters for the methods is different, but structure is same. So I'll give explanation here. Suppose I have class A. Okay, I have class A. Now methods I have m1 comma m2, I have methods. Okay, coming to class B. Now class is different. When you understand methods, right? That is m1 and m2. You got my point? So which means same class, sorry, different classes, the same methods. Sir, where we can use these concepts and all? Let's say HDFC Bank. So bank is different, but loan process is same, ATM process is same, mobile banking is same, locker facility is same, everything. Insurance is also same. Means process. Take it SBI Bank. Same department is there, right? Loan department, ATM department, mobile banking, locker facility, whatever it is. Credit card, debit card, whatever. For ICICI also, same process. And for Bandhan Bank also, any bank you can take it. So what do you understand here? Different classes, same methods. So here we can apply polymorphism. We can apply polymorphism. But here we need to, okay, we need to create common interface, okay, common interface to refer the classes, refer the different classes. So which class is suitable, that we can apply for common interface. So some people will ask, where can we create common interface in OOPS concepts. Which concepts we use? That is polymorphism. Okay. So let's suppose you take it here. We'll take it an example. Now I am taking here class computer. Now I am taking here def method, that is internet. Def method, that is internet. Okay. Self method. So here print of, you can write it here, computer class hyphen, let's say internet method. So this is the, sorry, this is the method. Now I have another one, def printer self method, then print of computer class. Again, this is a printer method. So now I have computer class which is having two methods. One is internet, second one is printer. And you can say def display, that is a self method again. So print of, now again computer class which is having display method. First of all, did you understand this, what I am talking? Please type in the chat box, everybody. Did you understand this? Different banks but same process, different classes with same methods. Did you understand, yes or no? Type in the chat box, all of you. Okay. So which means here understand. Okay. So now same process. I am taking one more class. That class you can say television. Now what I am doing, same internet method. Internet self method print of, but this internet method is working for television method. So which television class, that is internet method. Okay. Again def printer same method, but class is different. Computer class is different, television class is different. Self, then print of, then you can say television class which is having printer method. Now again we have same class display, same methods for different classes is known for polymorphism. Now print of television class, but here you can say display method. So I have two classes, computer and television, different same methods, internet, printer, display. You can have a number of classes but same methods, you can take it, but we need to create a common interface, right? That is important. Common interface. Okay. So what do you mean by common interface here? Now I am creating a program that is def, you can say one function I am creating with parameter of instrument. Okay. So here I am taking that parameter methods. So I am passing all the methods for parameterized methods. Instrument.internet, instrument.internet parameterized. So whenever we are calling instrument for the respective class, that will come. So making parameterized methods here. So which are repeated here. And so instrument dot anything you can take it. Any name also you can take it, not a problem. So here, and I created one interface. Interface is nothing but one function. And you need to create the instance for a specific class. Create the instance for specific class. So first one here you can say task 1 equal to, which is task 1 computer class, which is equal to computer class. Task 2 equal to television. So whenever I'm taking task 1 is a computer class. That computer class messages only it will print. Whenever I'm taking task 2 is only for television class, and it will print only those related methods information without any confusion. Ambiguity means confusion. Without any confusion of this internet and printer and display. So that's why we will be using common interface here. So let's go and understand. So this is without any error we created. Without any error we created. So now I need to create, suppose if I take internet, which internet it will take, it will get confused. That is the reason we created instance here or common interface. So now what I'm doing, print of just task 1 I'm displaying. Now when I say task 1 here, it is giving you computer object. Okay, print of task 2, you can just understand it. Okay, whenever I'm saying task 1 is respective computer object, task 2 and television object. So then what you will do, you can go with the interface. Now interface is like program, then you can take task 1 and respective methods will computer class internet method, computer class printer method, computer class display method. Now same thing, program task 2, execute it, and it is television class internet method, television class printer method, and television class display method. This is how we can understand about polymorphism. So what is the difference? Same different classes with same methods. Let me increase one more method. Okay, one more class. Now what I'm taking here, so you can take it here, then class tab. Okay, now def internet, that is self method. Now what happened here, print of, then you can say tab class, that is internet method. You can increase n number of when the functionality is same. Printer, that is self, print of, again tab class, which is printer method, and def display, that is self, print of, that is tab class, which is display method. So we don't need to create here common interface. Already common interface is created. So we need to assign one more, that is task 3 and equal to tab class. That's it. So again you can say print of task 1, sorry, print of task 2, print of task 3. So which means Same method name will work for individual classes, its own priority. So in this case, and you can call common interface here, program task 1 and program task 2, and again program task 3. Okay, computer class, television class, tab class. It's individually it is going to work with the same method names, but functionality is different. So this is what we need to understand about polymorphism. Clear, everybody? All of you. Polymorphism, can you able to understand or not? So what we will do, same method names we are accessing. Okay, now using this in the chart box, using this by understanding one method is enough. Write your own program for polymorphism now, right now. Go ahead, all of you. Clear, everybody? Go ahead. I need everybody to write. You said you understand, right? Now you need to write it. Come on, write it. So I need everybody to answer this because we need to know polymorphism for better understanding to write programs. Come on, everybody. So if you understand this polymorphism concept, then you will get to know like understanding about method overloading, method overriding, those concepts. Come on. Simple. I don't want like more explanation. Just whether you understand or not, I need clear picture from everybody who joined today. So later it is easy, quite difficult. So wherever you write it here, inside we will be having a 100 lines, 200 lines of program inside the method. For understanding purpose only, I'm just working on it. Structure representation. First, we need to get the concept should be very clear. Come on, common interface is very, very important here. Very simple. Take one or two methods. That's all. Create interface, then instance, then display. That's all. Are you writing, everyone? Why you are taking so much time? Okay, let me check. So good. Ganga, the class mobile different method name is company print. Okay, price laptop company, then price. Okay, fine. Online. Okay, online customer. What is this? Online. Okay, customer. It's a common interface. Customer dot company. Okay. Method you have to close brackets, right? You have to use it. Okay. Customer price. Then S1 equal to and S2 equal to class name, mobile and laptop. Then print as it is. So you miss somewhere here. Customer dot company.
Okay,
Here,
I will
this
check my
method
once.
you can see here. Okay.
Okay,
You are creating a
okay,
common interface, but you forgot to add brackets here. That is only that.
okay, sir. I will check my once.
Yes, Harinath, banking self. Okay, mobile banking, net banking, mutual funds. Good. Axis, class Axis. Okay, mobile banking, net banking, mutual funds. Perfect. Class ICICI. Okay. Oh, taken def mutual funds. Fine. Def program, that is bank. Bank is a common interface. Okay, bank. Then which are repeated methods? Banking, net banking, and mutual funds. Task 1, task 2, task 3. Perfect. Great. That is Harinath. Good. So class vehicle, like a def car self, print off. Okay. Sumo. Then class school teacher. Then teacher. Then again here print different. So once again, vehicle you have taken class. Second class you have taken, which is the second class here? School. Vehicle, school you have taken. What are the same methods? Here, def car, and very same method, def teacher. then deaf student. So what is mean by here, Renuka? Just understand once again. Okay, simple. I have a class, I have another class, but functionality should be, method should be same. Okay, same method, internet method for computer, internet method for television. Okay, so you
Okay,
have
sir.
taken, yeah, you have taken car or vehicle and student or school you have taken. So whatever you take, class name doesn't matter, but here whatever you mention, right, that methods should be common. That is what we can. Okay, that is what you understand. Class A method 1 m1 and m2, class B method m1 and m2, same methods. Got
Okay,
my
sir.
point? So
Okay.
for example you take mobile as someone have written. So here, now mobile you can say 1 plus. Okay, and you can say Samsung. Now same thing here, mobile, or you can say, 1 second, instead of like this we can go another approach. So here Samsung mobile, right, Samsung mobile, it's a class. Suppose phone pay, okay, GPay and Paytm, same functionality in a different device. Now same thing here, Samsung, then OnePlus, but same phone pay, am I correct, and GPay and Paytm. You take another mobile, that is LG, whatever you take, same methods, that is phone pay functionality same, GPay functionality same, and Paytm. Got my point? So like this we can able to understand different device, same method, same functionalities. Hope you are clear, all of you.